Introducing Zetagi PRONTO, an Italian polyurethane DIY wood stain paint. Made in Italy, one of the leading world expert in paints. A ready-to-use solvent-based, high-build wood stain for indoor and outdoor use. Zetagi PRONTO is easy to use, has wide color choices, can be used outdoor, and provides wood protection. It can be used in a variety of applications such as floorings, wooden houses, fences, balconies, outdoor furniture, doors, handicrafts, and many more, with different means of applications such as rags, brushes, rollers, and spray. To start, we need to prepare the following materials like clean rags, sandpaper, and Zetagi PRONTO. First, clean the wood. Make sure it's free from dust, moisture, dirt, oil, and other non-wood material. Stir before use. Then start applying Zetagi PRONTO and spread. Let it dry. Recoat as needed. See the difference. It contains special pigments that has UV filter that can guarantee a long-term weather resistance. Our Zetagi PRONTO has wide color choices too. Some of our accomplished projects are: why choose Zetagi PRONTO? High build semi-gloss wood stain, high weather resistance, enhancement of the natural beauty of wood. Zetagi PRONTO versus other brands. Hot and cold test. Prepare the materials. Surface preparation. Stir before use. Apply first coating. Apply second coating. Set temperature for oven and freezer. Put the materials inside the oven for 2 hours. Remove the materials and let it stay outside for 30 minutes. Put the materials inside the freezer for another 2 hours. Remove again and let it stay outside for another 30 minutes. Repeat this cycle 30 times. After the 30th cycle, prepare all the materials for the adhesion test. Scratch each material to check. See the results. Zetagi PRONTO, Italian Polyurethane. Experience excellence. Grazie.